Parents, are you worried about your teens getting involved with drugs? Well, let's talk about how we can help prevent drug use amongst teens. Well, first off, we should talk to our teens about drugs. They need to know how drugs can affect their body, their minds, and how addictive drugs can be. But they also need to know their effects, like what exactly are these drugs doing to them? They need to understand how dangerous the effects of drugs can be. We also need to have an open and honest communication, a line of communication with our teens, so they can ask us their questions about drugs without being scared that they're going to get in trouble for it. They also need to know that just because their friends are doing drugs, does not necessarily mean they have to. They do not have to follow their friends if they are doing drugs. And it's okay to tell their friends no, that they don't want to do drugs. So if you have any more questions or concerns, you can always go to CMODrugTaskForce.com and you can find your answers there. Thank you.